back pain came back, which was terrible because I'd gone through this major surgery. I was not able to walk very far, couldn't stand for very long, and I couldn't get in and out of the car without almost crying. Was able to get in and out of the car without crying and hurting. I could go to the grocery store and walk around without being in pain. My clothes are fitting better. I'm enjoying picking out some clothes that I haven't been able to wear. When you go in, you're always greeted, and the trainers are wonderful. And it's not just them. All the other ladies are very encouraging and nice. Just to try it for several sessions and just to see what a difference it could make.